Hey guys, so today we want to talk about another common issue on the Golf MK6, which is my car suddenly dies. Suddenly just stop, the engine just stop while I'm driving back home, and then the entire car just shut off, engine dies, and the car slowly stops. Strangely, after an hour or two, when the tow truck arrives, car can start like nothing happened. I'm not sure if you have experienced that before. I guess it caused the same issue, which is the fuel pump module failed. It's not the fuel pump itself. This is the fuel pump module. Alright, so this was the original one. It was in my car the first round. The fuel pump module do the one that controls the fuel pump. This is actually the brain that powers your fuel pump. If it fails, then there's no fuel gets delivered. That's why when I try to start up the car, like in the video I will show, the car starts and engine just shut off. By the way, I just got a replacement one, which is the brand under Pierberg. This was the unit that was in the car. It looks slightly different from the first gen. This was the one that is in my car originally. I changed it to this one, which is the one that I replaced a few years back. Here are some symptoms of the failing fuel pump module on the Golf MK6 GTI. The engine stalls suddenly while driving. Even your fuel tank is not empty, and overheated. The day when I was driving, the weather is very hot. There is sometimes the engine crank, but then it doesn't start. So when I crank the car that day, it does start and it fails. Sometimes it starts and dies immediately after a second or two. You won't hear a fuel pump buzz when you turn on the key. What happened to my car is after the 30 minutes or an hour or two, I can start the car normally. There's no issue after that. That is a fuel pump issue, but actually it's the fuel pump module. And if you scan the OBD, I'm afraid that when I try as well in the shop as well, they are unable to detect any error code. Updates for my Golf GTI MK6. I will keep posting up any upcoming replacement of parts that I've done in my car. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone.